Google Analytics. Here's a comprehensive tutorial on Google Analytics, covering everything from setup to advanced features. Introduction to Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a powerful web analytics tool that helps you track and analyze your website's performance. It provides insights into user behavior, traffic sources, conversions, and more, enabling you to make informed decisions to optimize your website and achieve your business goals. Step 1. Setting up Google Analytics. Create a Google Analytics account. 1. Go to the Google Analytics website, analytics.google.com, and sign in with your Google account. 2. Follow the prompts to create a new account for your website. Add your website. 1. Provide the website name, URL, industry category, and time zone. 2. Choose between web and apps tracking. 2. For websites, select web. Get your tracking code. 1. Google Analytics will provide you with a tracking code, JavaScript snippet. 2. Copy and paste this code into the header section of every page you want to track on your website. Step 2. Navigating the Google Analytics interface. Dashboard overview. 1. After adding the tracking code, your data will start populating in Google Analytics. 2. The dashboard provides an overview of key metrics like users, sessions, bounce rate, and more. Main menu. 1. The left-hand menu gives you access to various reporting sections like real-time, audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. Step 3. Understanding key metrics. Users and sessions. 1. Users, the total number of unique visitors to your site. 2. Sessions, the total number of visits to your site, including repeat visits. Bounce rate and exit rate. 1. Bounce rate, the percentage of users who leave your site after viewing only one page. 2. Exit rate, the percentage of users who leave your site from a specific page. Page views and unique page views. 1. Page views, the total number of pages viewed on your site. 2. Unique page views, the number of sessions in which a specific page was viewed at least once. Step 4. Exploring reports. Audience report. 1. Learn about your website visitors' demographics, interests, devices, and location. 2. Discover new and returning visitors, engagement metrics, and more. Acquisition report. 1. Understand where your traffic is coming from, organic search, paid search, social media, referrals, and direct traffic. 2. Analyze campaigns, keywords, and referral sources. Behavior report. 1. Examine user interactions on your site, including popular pages, site speed, and events tracking. 2. Understand the flow users take through your site. Conversions report. 1. Set up goals and track conversions, such as form submissions, sign-ups, or purchases. 2. Measure e-commerce performance if you have an online store. Step 5. Advanced features and insights. Custom reports and dashboards. 1. Create customized reports and dashboards tailored to your specific metrics and goals. Event tracking. 1. Track user interactions beyond page views, such as downloads, clicks, video views, and more. E-commerce tracking. 1. Implement e-commerce tracking to monitor product sales, revenue, and transaction data. Segmentation. 1. Break down your data by specific criteria, e.g., location, device, to uncover insights. Goals and funnels. 1. Set up and track specific user interactions as goals, and analyze the conversion funnel. Step 6. Regular analysis and optimization. Regularly review reports. 1. Analyze your reports to identify trends, opportunities, and areas for improvement. Optimization strategies. 1. Use insights to optimize your website, marketing campaigns, and user experience. A/B testing. 1. Test different elements of your website to determine what works best for your audience. Step 7. Google Analytics resources. Google Analytics Help Center. 1. Visit the official Google Analytics Help Center for detailed guides and tutorials. Online courses and communities. 1. Explore online courses, forums, and communities dedicated to Google Analytics to expand your knowledge. By following this comprehensive tutorial, you'll be well equipped to set up Google Analytics, navigate its interface, understand key metrics, analyze reports, and utilize advanced features to optimize your website's performance and achieve your business goals. Here's some additional information to further enhance your understanding of Google Analytics. Setting up goals. Setting up goals in Google Analytics allows you to track specific actions users take on your website. This could include completing a contact form, making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or reaching a certain page. Goals help you measure conversions and track the effectiveness of your website in achieving your desired outcomes. Custom dimensions and metrics. Google Analytics allows you to define custom dimensions and metrics. Dimensions provide additional context to your data, like user roles or product categories. Metrics are numerical measurements, such as the time spent on a page. Custom dimensions and metrics enable you to tailor your tracking to your unique business needs. Annotations. Annotations let you add notes to specific dates on your Google Analytics reports. These notes can provide explanations for sudden changes in data, campaigns launched, or any other significant events. Annotations help you understand the context behind your data fluctuations. Real-time tracking. The real-time section in Google Analytics provides live data about what's happening on your website at any given moment. It shows you the number of active users, traffic sources, top pages, and even events as they occur. This feature is useful for monitoring the immediate impact of marketing campaigns or events. Multi-channel funnels. Google Analytics multi-channel funnels feature helps you understand the multiple touchpoints users interact with before converting. It shows the different channels, e.g., organic search, social media, direct, that users engaged with during their journey to conversion, providing insights into the complete customer journey. Attribution models. Attribution models determine how credit for conversions is assigned to different touchpoints along the customer journey. Google Analytics offers several models, such as last click, first click, linear, and time decay. Understanding attribution models helps you allocate credit accurately and make informed decisions about your marketing efforts. User Explorer. The User Explorer report provides detailed insights into individual user behavior on your website. You can see the sequence of pages they visited, time spent on each page, and more. This information can be invaluable for understanding how different users engage with your site. Custom alerts. Set up custom alerts to receive notifications when specific conditions are met, such as a sudden increase or decrease in traffic, low conversion rates, or other significant events. Custom alerts ensure you stay informed about changes in your website's performance. Data retention and privacy. Google Analytics provides options to control how long your data is retained, giving you flexibility based on your data storage needs and privacy regulations. Be aware of data retention settings to ensure compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Integration with Google Ads. You can link your Google Analytics and Google Ads accounts for more advanced tracking and insights. This integration enables you to analyze the performance of your paid campaigns and understand how they contribute to your website's goals. Data export and reporting. Google Analytics allows you to export your data for further analysis in other tools, such as spreadsheets or data visualization software. Custom reporting and data export options offer flexibility in how you present and use your data. By exploring these additional features and concepts within Google Analytics, you can gain a deeper understanding of user behavior, track conversions effectively, make data-driven decisions, and optimize your website's performance for better results.